Traders, I want to introduce you to our Tradingview indicators. These indicators give us these signals. This is coming from the trend sentiment indicator. When all these bars paint one color, we see an alert. The condition is all 6 rows down through here need to be the same color, and as soon as they paint red, for example, we get that. Okay, NAS 100, here's another example. When all the bars turn green, we have these signals that we can use to enter the market. As we trade up, okay, we've reached the ceiling here, and if this rolls over, we should start to see some red signals kick in. So not only do we have this indicator, we also have, we just scroll back in here, the trend channel. It gives us yellow, orange and white lines, diagonal lines. These are previous daily, weekly levels that we can use for targets, stop loss levels. It gives us the cloud, and what we can do in the cloud is trail with our stop loss. Now we have this white line here and a couple of other lines that we can follow. So if we follow this midline here and we stay in the cloud, we can trail the price with a stop loss, and eventually it gets taken out. And if this was our entry point down here, depending where your stop loss was, that might have been down here. If it was a little bit tight, that would have been your exit, or perhaps over here. You can follow the cloud third of the way in, or midway in if you like, with the stop loss. And the other thing that we use this indicator for is confirmation when price breaks above the line or below the line, and we have these signals we can enter. Now the other indicator we have is forex sessions. Blue is London, white is New York, and this is the Asia session, so we know when the sessions open and close. We also have the option to add the ICT kill zones and New York midnight, if you're familiar with ICT concepts. Part of our VIP membership includes a trading course and daily tutorials, daily mentorship videos. The other indicator we have is this one here. It gives us key levels that we can use to target. For example, you can see how price is respecting this previous daily high. And one of the other indicators we have is the accumulation distribution. For example, if we switch it on here, it picks up these order blocks from historical data. We can see that this level here is a strong level. So when we're trading down into something like this, and we see these buy signals kick in, given that this is a big support level, it adds to our argument to enter long. I prefer to turn this one on and off as I need it. And it'll also give us, back here for example, this previous resistance, and as you can see, price is reacting off the level. I like to switch it on and off as I need it. Finally, we have the trend bars. So watch the color of the bars change. So we can see over here the bars are red. They also give us divergence signals, so these bullish divergence lines that we can use here. If we incorporate the accumulation distribution and we see these divergence kicking in along with this dot, and we're trading into that, now we can expect that. The buy signal kicks in, and that's where we enter the trade long, right there. The trend bars maintain a green color when this is trending bullish. I'll just take out the accumulation distribution so we see these green bars. You could possibly look to exit your trade when a red bar kicks in, for example. And you see these divergence starting to show. Right? That could be a prompt to exit. In this case it continued up, but you'll find that when you see a trend reversal, the divergence will generally accumulate. You can gain access to the indicators today. They're available on my website. Head over to tradingwithanthony.com and click on indicators. You can gain access today. Okay, they're currently running at a discount as we're promoting our new trend sentiment indicator with the bullish and bearish alerts. This discount is limited, so if you'd like to lock in this monthly subscription now, it would be a good idea to join. So that's tradingwithanthony.com/indicators. There is a free trial The free trial doesn't include the indicators. The free trial includes access to our VIP Telegram channel, our daily trade signals in Telegram, daily mentorship videos. If you go with the full membership, you gain access to everything in here, including the indicators. The 14-day free trial will give you access to the indicators after the 14 days. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to our TradingView indicators.